Okay guys, this is a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat edition, long bed, brand new tires on it, 3.5 EcoBoost motor. This has like 42,700 original miles, actual mileage. It is a rebuild title, rear suspension damage, or rear axle damage actually. A little bit on the door, and all been fixed up. Does have like a 2-inch lift on it. This is the loaded version. Sunroof technology package, max trailer tow package on it. 42,733 on the miles. 360 camera. FX4 with the locking differential. It's got the trailer brake built in, lane assist, heated and cooled seats, cruise, your mirror lights, windows, power folding mirrors. Seats look like they have only 40,000 miles on it. See that sunroof, it works. Here's your VIN number. All-weather floor mats, rear heated seats. So damage was on this rear, pushed this axle back. He had to replace the whole differential. It does have that long bed, hard to find. The bed cover. Oh, spray and bed liner. There's the blocks under there. Give it a small lift. Super clean truck. So it did have a little bit of a damage right through here, but very minor. A little bit of damage there. This does have a smart key with the remote start. Power options. Does have the Sony stereo system in there. Also your super clean, guys. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.